Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Podcast English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Alex. Hi, Emily. How are you today?
I'm feeling great, Alex. And today's topic is very colorful.
Yes. Today we're talking about colors, one of the most fun and useful topics in English.
Exactly. Colors are everywhere in clothes, food, nature, and even emotions.
But before we start, a quick request for our listeners. Hey everyone, if today's episode helps you learn something new, click the like button.
Yes, and don't forget to leave a comment telling us your favorite color. We love hearing from you.
All right, let's start with some basic colors. Emily, what are the most common colors beginners should know?
Here's a list: red, blue, yellow, green, black, white, orange, purple, pink, brown, gray.
Perfect. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Red, blue, yellow, green.
Perfect. Now let's use them in sentences. For example, this apple is red. The sky is blue today. The sunflowers are yellow.
You can also describe clothing. I'm wearing a green shirt. She has a purple dress.
Colors can also describe objects around us, like, my car is white. The chair in my room is brown.
Simple but very useful.
Now let's talk about how to describe objects with colors.
Yes, you can use the pattern, the object is color.
For example, the bag is black. The flowers are pink.
The table is gray.
You can also describe more than one color in an object. The shirt is red and white. The rainbow has many colors.
Exactly. Speaking of rainbows, it's a great way to remember colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Roijibiv.
I always forget indigo and violet.
No worries, Alex. Beginners can focus on the main colors first.
Also, colors can describe food. The apple is red. The banana is yellow. The grapes are purple.
Or nature. The grass is green. The sky is blue. The sand is brown.
Did you know colors can also show feelings or emotions?
Yes, for example, red can mean love or anger. Blue can mean calm or sadness. Yellow can mean happy or bright.
You can say, I feel blue today, meaning sad. She's feeling red with anger, meaning angry.
Or, this yellow room makes me happy.
Colors are everywhere, even in our emotions.
Next, let's practice talking about favorite colors.
Emily, what's your favorite color?
I like blue. It reminds me of the sky and the sea.
Nice. I like green because it reminds me of nature.
You can ask your friends, what's your favorite color? My favorite color is pink. What color do you like?
Or in a store, you can ask, do you have this shirt in red? Yes, we have it in blue, black, and white too.
Colors are also used in daily conversations.
For example, in the classroom, the board is white. The pencil is yellow.
At home, the walls are gray. The sofa is brown.
Even on the road, the traffic light is red. Stop. The traffic light is green. Go.
Very important to know. Now let's talk about clothes and fashion.
You can describe what someone is wearing. She is wearing a red dress. He is wearing a black jacket.
Or you can ask for help in a shop. Do you have these shoes in blue? Yes, we have them in white, black, and gray.
Colors can also show style. This shirt looks nice in green. Those pants are perfect in brown.
Colors are everywhere in nature.
Yes, look at flowers. Roses are red. Sunflowers are yellow. Lavender is purple.
Or animals. The parrot is colorful. The tiger has orange and black stripes.
Even fruits. Apple is red. Banana is yellow. Grapes are green or purple.
Colors are important in art and creativity too.
Yes, you can describe paintings. The painting has bright red and blue colors. The sculpture is white and gray.
You can also mix colors. Red and blue make purple. Blue and yellow make green.
This is called color mixing, and it's fun to learn.
Let's review some useful color phrases. The sky is blue. I like green. The dress is red and white. This yellow room makes me happy. Do you have this in black?
Perfect. You can use these phrases every day, at home, school, stores, or even describing your feelings.
And now a fun tip. Practice colors by naming everything you see. For example, the chair is brown. The wall is white. My notebook is blue.
Yes, this helps you remember colors faster and speak naturally.
So today we learned about talking about colors, from basic names, describing objects, expressing preferences, and using colors in daily life.
Colors are everywhere, and now you can confidently describe them in English.
Remember, everyone, practice makes perfect. Use colors in your sentences every day.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more easy English conversations every week.
Emily, we learned the basic colors last time, but did you know that each color has many shades?
Yes, for example, blue can be light blue, sky blue, navy blue, and turquoise.
And red can be pink, crimson, maroon, or scarlet.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. Light blue, sky blue, navy blue, turquoise.
Pink, crimson, maroon, scarlet.
Perfect. Now let's use them in sentences. My shirt is navy blue. The flowers are crimson. The car is turquoise.
You can describe your home too. The living room walls are light blue. The kitchen curtains are pink.
Let's talk more about colors in nature.
Yes, nature has many beautiful shades. For example, in a forest, the leaves are dark green. The flowers are bright yellow. The river water is deep blue.
And sunsets are amazing too. The sky turns orange, pink, and purple at sunset. You can also see red clouds in the evening.
Animals also have interesting colors. The peacock has blue, green, and gold feathers. The fox has red and white fur.
Even fruits. Apple is red. Banana is yellow. Grapes are green or purple.
Colors are important in art and creativity too.
Yes, you can describe paintings. The painting has bright red, orange, and yellow. The drawing uses light blue and dark blue together.
You can also talk about favorite colors in art. I like the green and yellow in this painting. She likes pink and purple for her drawings.
And mixing colors is fun. Blue and yellow make green. Red and white make pink.
Colors help describe food too.
Yes, for example, the apple is red. The banana is yellow. The broccoli is green.
You can describe a meal in detail. The salad has green lettuce, red tomatoes, and orange carrots. The smoothie is purple and pink.
It's very helpful when ordering food or describing dishes.
Emily, let's suggest fun activities for learners.
Okay, color hunt. Look around your house and name all the colors you see. Draw and color. Make a picture and describe it in English. Flashcards. Make cards with colors and practice with a friend.
Yes, the more you practice, the more natural it becomes.
Today, we learned many new things about colors. Shades of colors, colors in nature and art, cultural meanings, colors in clothes, food, and daily life.
We also played games, practiced sentences, and learned fun tips for remembering colors.
Remember, everyone, practice every day. Look, describe, and speak about colors as much as you can.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please share it with friends and subscribe to our channel for more easy English conversations every week.
Thanks for listening. Keep colorful and keep learning English.
Bye for now.
Welcome back again, everyone. Last time, we learned about shades. Let's talk about comparing colors today.
Yes, you can compare colors in objects or clothes using phrases like, this shirt is darker than that one. This wall is lighter than the other wall.
Or, red apples are brighter than green apples. The blue dress is more beautiful than the pink dress.
Perfect. And for beginners, you can use like and as too. Her eyes are as blue as the sky. This room is as bright as the sun.
Comparisons make your sentences more interesting and descriptive. Emily, let's try using colors in stories or descriptions.
Great idea. Here's an example. Once upon a time, there was a little red bird. It lived in a green forest. The sky was always blue, and the sun shone yellow every day.
You can ask your listeners to describe something in their home. Look around your room. What colors do you see? Describe them in English. Exactly. For example, my desk is brown. My notebook is red. My pen is blue.
This is fun because it practices observation, vocabulary, and speaking skills.
Did you know English has many idioms using colors?
Yes, let's learn a few. Feeling blue, feeling sad. Green with envy, feeling jealous. Red with anger, very angry. Out of the blue, something unexpected. Caught red-handed, caught doing something wrong.
You can use them in sentences. I am feeling blue today because it's raining. She was green with envy when she saw the new car.
These phrases make your English sound more natural and interesting.
Let's make it interactive. Alex, can we play a color matching game for our listeners?
Sure. I'll describe two objects and you say if they match in color.
Okay, first, the sun is yellow. The banana is yellow. Do they match?
Yes, they match.
The sky is blue. The grass is green. Do they match?
No, they are different colors.
Your shoes are black. Your belt is black. Do they match?
Yes. Matching colors is important in fashion, design, and everyday life. Colors also change with seasons.
Yes, for example, spring, pink, yellow, green. Summer, blue, turquoise, orange. Autumn, red, brown, gold. Winter, white, gray, dark blue.
You can describe scenes. The autumn leaves are red and orange. The winter snow is white and gray.
Spring flowers are pink and yellow. Colors help us express the beauty of nature and seasons. Let's try describing objects in more detail with colors, shapes, and sizes.
For example, the small, round red apple looks fresh and delicious. The tall, dark green tree stands near the blue river.
You can also describe clothing. She is wearing a long purple dress with white polka dots. He has a short yellow jacket with black stripes.
The more details you use, the easier it is for someone to imagine what you are describing.
Let's practice colors in real-life situations.
For example, at the supermarket, I want the green apples, not the red ones. I like the orange juice in the blue bottle.
At school, the teacher wrote on the blackboard with white chalk. My notebook has a pink cover and blue lines. At home, the curtains are brown and the walls are cream.
My bed sheets are white with light blue stripes.
Today, we learned more about colors, comparing colors, using colors in stories and descriptions, color idioms, color games, colors in seasons and everyday life.
Remember, everyone, practice makes perfect. Describe objects, clothing, food, and nature in colors every day.
Use color idioms too. It makes your English more fun and natural.
And don't forget to play games, match colors, and notice shades around you.
Emily, let's talk about colors in hobbies. Colors appear everywhere, even in things we enjoy doing. Yes, for example, if you like painting or drawing, you can say, "My painting uses light blue, pink, and yellow. I like to mix green and blue to make turquoise."
For hobbies like gardening, you can describe plants. My flowers are red, yellow, and orange.
Or crafts. I used purple and gold paper for my project. I decorated the card with red, pink, and white stickers.
Colors are very useful when you travel.
Yes, for example, the beach has white sand and turquoise water. The mountains are green and brown. The sunset is orange, pink, and purple.
You can describe places in a hotel or city. The walls of my hotel room are cream. The streets are gray with yellow lines.
The taxi is bright yellow. Colors make your travel descriptions vivid and interesting. Let's talk about colors in sports.
Yes, sports teams, balls, and uniforms all use colors.
For example, the soccer team wears red and white jerseys. The basketball is orange and black. The referee's shirt is black and white.
You can also say, my favorite team's colors are blue and yellow.
Colors are also important in technology, like phones, computers, and apps.
Yes, for example, my laptop is silver with a black keyboard. The phone case is pink and purple.
You can also describe things on a screen. The email icon is red. The notifications are green.
This is very useful for giving instructions or talking about gadgets.
Alex, let's make a fun storytelling exercise using colors.
Great! Here's an example. Lily had a yellow backpack and a red hat. She walked through a green forest and saw a blue river. Suddenly, a purple butterfly flew past her.
You can ask listeners, can you describe your morning using colors? For example, my room is blue. My clothes are green. My breakfast plate is white with red strawberries.
This helps practice vocabulary, sentence structure, and creativity at the same time.
We talked about food before, but let's go deeper.
Yes, you can describe a full meal. The salad has green lettuce, red tomatoes, yellow corn, and orange carrots. The cake is pink with white cream on top.
Or drinks. The smoothie is purple with blueberries. The lemonade is yellow with green mint leaves.
This is great for ordering food, describing recipes, or talking about meals with friends.
Alex, we talked about emotions before, but now let's combine emotions and storytelling.
Sure. For example, Anna felt blue because it was raining, but then she saw a yellow balloon and felt happy again.
Tom was red with anger when he lost the game, but his friend gave him a green gift and he calmed down.
You can create your own short stories using 3 to 5 colors, and it's a fun way to practice English naturally.
Let's give some fun activities for our listeners. 1. Color diary. Write 3 sentences about your day using colors. 2. Color walk. Walk outside and name 10 things you see and their colors. 3. Color collage. Cut out pictures from magazines and describe them in English.
These activities help remember vocabulary and speak more confidently.
Today, we explored colors in hobbies, travel, sports, technology, food, and storytelling. Also, fun exercises and creative ways to use colors in sentences.
Remember, everyone, colors are everywhere. Use them to describe, tell stories, and express feelings in English.
Share this episode with your friends, comment your favorite color, and subscribe to our channel for more easy English conversations every week.
Thanks for listening. Stay colorful, creative, and keep practicing English.
Bye for now.